Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a Medium account. To do that, you first of all need to open up medium.com on your browser. Once you did that, you need to head over to this option over here which says sign in. So once you get in here, if you don't have an account, click on create one, and then basically you just need to fill up the information over here. So right now I am going to continue with Facebook. Once we have clicked on that, we need to put in our email and our full name over there. And once we did that, now I already have an email registered with Medium, so I'm not able to create that right now. But if you don't have an account on Medium, you will be able to proceed from that stage. And basically that's how you will be able to create an account on Medium. I hope you found this video useful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel.